There are so many people reading news in the modern world, but printed newspapers are declining and more digital news is on the way. But people aren't reading them as much. As a result, this program is for those who simply want to know what's going on around them. So for this project, after some research of course, I found a wonderful module in Tkinter created by Tom Szymanski. Its documentation was there and this guy helped me out. After some time of reviewing the sample code and the already given place from example 1, I tweaked the code a bit to match what I wanted, a marker which displays text when clicked. We would be using the newscatcher API since we need the title and the country, and Rapid API has just the thing. Seen in the last video, this video too, I have formatted the on in another file to make it clearer for interpreting. I have separated it for the US and India. This happened because the API only had one country and it was getting really hectic to think about how could I incorporate it with the map in the later stages. So I just made two functions, one to get the data for the US and other to get the data for India. So some more stuff, I got the code working for India and USA. It displays news only once for now. When I click the marker, and I don't know why is it not showing properly here in the video, but the cursor was on the marker. I just realized that set text method existed. And now for the final product, I got India's and US's news both working, but I still have no idea why the video isn't showing the cursor at the marked area. Well, that works. There's a major drawback with this approach of what I did, which I hope I'll be able to fix it very soon. The thing is, I'm making two API calls each time the program runs, and that is for getting the country for the US and India. And that is I have to also get news individually from them and then create more markers to display those news. This just means that if I have to add more countries, I'm making more functions to do the same thing. I have to get this fixed, but until I'm doing that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.